Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
During our 10 o'clock newscast last night, I brought down the rain chances a little bit for today, and overall it actually has been pretty quiet so far on this Friday, but it's starting to change farther west. We've had thunderstorms. They've been pretty numerous in North Mississippi, and now this is what we've got in northwest Alabama. Storms are moving in, but they're starting to weaken a little bit as they do so. They're picking up a little bit of speed as well as they track toward the east. This entire line is pushing eastward. I bumped up the speed on this to about 20 to 25 miles per hour, so it's going to be in spots like Muscle Shoals at 520, Hatton 543 if this holds together, Rogersville just before 6 o'clock, and Trinity by 6:30. But I did mention to you that it is starting to weaken just a bit. These are not severe storms, but when we pull data from our radar site on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network in Muscle Shoals, I'm clocking wind here just shy of 50 miles per hour. Anything that's shaded in green is, of course, wind blowing toward the radar. So we'll be watching that pretty closely for you in terms of any stronger wind, because we start getting closer to 60 miles per hour, and that gets closer to severe wind gusts. So I'll be monitoring that for you. In addition to what's happening elsewhere, it is important to note that you can see this little line, this thin line of green here east of Hamilton and Marion County up into Franklin County, and that's a sign that the wind is kind of gusting out ahead of these thunderstorms, a sign of weakening. But farther to the north, I don't see that, so these storms are still going to pack a little bit of a punch as they're moving into Muscle Shoals and the rest of Colbert and Lauderdale counties. Back farther toward the east, some of the only activity that I can find for you are these downpours that have popped up in Lincoln County, Madison, and Jackson counties. I don't see much in the way of lightning, but hearing a rumble of thunder would not be impossible. This is the view in Huntsville. Kind of deceptive in the sense that there's a lot of blue sky still, but look closely. See that line of clouds there? That's the top of the thunderstorms that are out into the shoals right now. We're at 87 degrees, and it's feeling like we are in the low to mid 90s for most spots. Actual temperatures are in the 90s in Florence. You can expect that number to drop really quickly once this rain rolls in. And overnight tonight, temperatures just drop in general. We're down into the low to mid 70s by early tomorrow morning, and your rain chances fluctuate off and on here. Showers and storms still possible tonight, but there are much better rain chances over the weekend. We'll start your future radar with the current time period here, and notice those thunderstorms moving from Mississippi into Alabama. They pretty much fall apart before they even make it to I-65. And by early tomorrow morning, we'll start with a mainly quiet picture here. A shower or a storm is possible, but as we continue to go through the afternoon hours, notice the redevelopment, clusters of showers and storms moving through. It's not going to be a total washout tomorrow, but it is going to be a pretty busy day here on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. 9:30, a little bit of a lapse in activity, at least temporarily. And here we go. Right back early Sunday morning, showers and storms are with us. This is not going to be one of those situations where we're left with only afternoon thunderstorms. We'll have them off and on overnight into the morning through the afternoon. We're going to pick back up here on a different data source, a slightly wider view, and this is to start you here again at noon on Sunday. Notice the showers and storms that just continue through the afternoon and the first part of the overnight time period, even lingering into Monday. Now in total here, as far as rainfall goes, we'll have to monitor that risk for flash flooding both tomorrow and Sunday. It's a low end risk, but in total through Tuesday, we're expecting anywhere from about ½ inch to 1.5 inches of rain. And your 7-day forecast shows that rain chances, they managed to drop a little bit by next week, but we've still got a 40% chance for showers and storms on Tuesday, a 30% chance on Wednesday.